Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, September the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved in this puzzle page 3 puzzles: 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and a binary. It's time now for the last one, the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9277. 9277. Alright. Before I start, I always count printed digits. This one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. Yeah. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 0 stars or maybe a 1 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 50 minutes. 30 minutes. If it's a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Alright. Question is it a 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Here, dual box, there, and here. Contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be 2. We have a 2 there. So 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here, the 1 and the 2, well, insufficient information. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, the 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Well, then, the following strategy is to look for shapes. Oh, no. We have a quadra box here. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, okay. Overlook this quadra box. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, okay. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, mirrored, this one. This box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. 3 and 4. Well. Let me see. Come on. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a 1 here. Can be 2 there. So the 1 and the 2, we have a pair here. The 1 and the 2 should be there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Of course, this is connected with each other. Alright. Then, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And 2. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. So now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box level 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box level 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. That means that this box should be also 3 or 5. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, 4 and 5, 3 and 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need to think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Mark those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 there, so this can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And 2 numbers left. No. This box can be 3. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I've marked those boxes with 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5 then. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. We solved it again, and I like this one here, so I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you for watching, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow in the afternoon with the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.